Hi, welcome all to the today's seminar from IGUS on motion plastics. We can see how IGUS develop homogeneous polymer compounds can help you to cost down and life up. So I can surely believe on take up cost down is our job. Today, my name is Sandesh Solanki. With me, my co-presenters are Sunil Nagargoje, who is handling automotive sales for the West region, Annappa Venkatesh, who is handling automotive sales for the South region, Vaibhav Tavre, who is handling sales for North region and a regional sales manager for North as well. Right side, Mr. Sebastian Boy is not with us today, but he is supporting India from Germany for tooling, supports, materials, drawings, and documentations and so on. So today, our agenda for today's seminar is about IGUS materials, about how it is self-lubricated bearings, our company profile, products, material, benefits, certification, applications, customized parts, and sampling possibilities, and question and answers. You can see a chat box and you can write your questions in the chat box so our technical experts available with us can immediately answer your queries. In 1964, IGUS is established by Mr. Gunter Brese. He left his job in 1964, current job, and he asked his friends and colleagues about their worst problems, where they want to improve the technology and reduce the cost. The same theme what we're talking about today, same thing we started our company, the take up and cost down. So from the peer bug, he got one application, which metal part, which is very difficult to produce, and they want to reduce the cost and so on. And we made our first part. And today we can see IGUS has grown by 1,000 times. And today our capacity is 930 million bearings per year as a productions, 93 crore parts. And apart from 930 million parts, 480 million, almost half parts are going in automotive in each vehicle worldwide, on automotive vehicles worldwide. We available in 35 countries in the world, 4,150 employees working in worldwide for IGUS. We have certifications like ISO, TS, IATF, and so on. In India, we started 15 years back, and today we have 165 employees. From that, 60 trained engineers are on the field around 16 locations in India to support our customers locally. In our IGUS Bangalore office, we can do assembly, harnessing, stocking, and so on. And in India, we are catering more than 12,500 active customers in day-to-day basis. We supply 2 million bearings in each month in automotive industry, more than 300 plus application as of now in automotive industry for India. So further products, I'm handing over to Mr. Sunil to take the next slides. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandesh, for nice introduction. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Sunil Nagargoje, and I will take you through the product portfolio of IGUS as a company. Then we will have a short overview of the composition material. Then what are the different production technologies we are employing. So let us start with the product portfolio. So you can see we are working in the two vertical. Left side you can see cable carriers, ECN systems, different kind of cables, and as a cable carrier systems. So we have some application inside the automotive interior. Let's say for automatic door slider, then automatic seating system, wiper systems, and yes, it can also help you to carry your hoses, maybe pneumatic or hydraulic in material handling and construction equipments. On right side, you can see the bearing portfolio. We call it as a Drytech, and it is subdivided into the three parts. So first one is the Iglitwood bearing. So you can see a lot of bearings with collar, without collar, with slit, without slit. And the second one is a spherical bearing. So when you are looking for some kind of misalignment adjustment, you require some articulation angle, then definitely you can go for this product line. And the third one is the Drilling linear system. So apart from this linear system, what you can see on your slide, we have lead screw, nuts, and we have some application like inside interior, like your armrest, back seat mechanism. And secondly, yes, for lead screw and nuts, you can definitely go for actuator application with IGUS portfolio. On this slide, you can see different kind of material plates, bar stock. It can be used as in machining, and you can make a bearing by machining routes, some friction pads, and on blue color, you can see a very thin tape. It has an adhesive on that back, and it can be a stick in between the two surfaces to reduce the friction. We have a sleeving ring to make automation inside your vehicle for some kind of seating rotation arrangement. And we have one product portfolio called Zeros. It is a polymer ball bearing, and you can use this inside your thermostat or navigation control application inside the interiors. Moving to the next slide, and this is quite younger program for us. So we are providing materials, maybe wire spool or powder for FDM as well as SLS printing. And going beyond that, if you want really printed some 3D printed part from iGUS, you can just come up with your step file, IGOS file on our website. Just load this file on our website, and you will get the instant quotation as well as the tentative lead time. And yes, whatever material we are offering for 3D printing, this is a 10 times higher wear resistance than the normal material which are available in the market like ABS. So whatever the printed material available from our parts, it can be used as a directly bearing and for real life applications. This one is the low cost automation program. Since today our focus is more on the vehicle onboard application, so I will not speak more on this, but you can just view that we have a small kind of gantries, Delta robots, pick and place application robots. And for sure, if you have any question, you can write us, and our product team will get back to you on this. Yes, coming to the R theme, change the bearing now. So you can see a lot of bearings on this screen, that brass, gunmetal, DU, Teflon coated metal back bearing, some kind of needle bearing, and all can be replaced with iGUS polymer bearing. You will get advantage that these are almost very lighter, 5 times lighter than any metal bearing solution. Whatever iGUS is providing is absolutely lubrication free. You don't have to put a single drop of oil for lubrication. And being a polymer part, there will be no corrosion problem at all across the life. And this is our commitment. So coming to our composition, we called our material as a tribopolymer or engineering plastic. Tribopolymer in the sense we are optimize or enhancing the properties of the generic plastic by adding solid lubricants, mechanical fiber, and you can see the microscopic view of our material. So by extrusioning, melting, and mixing this material properly, we are ensuring 100% homogeneous material across the bearing thickness, and yes, these parts are tested millions of times inside our laboratory, and only then it will come in catalog. So you can be sure whatever iGUS is offering for any kind of your application. So benefits, I think some of the points has been already covered by me, like lightweight, lubrication free, maintenance free, corrosion free, resistant to high load, edge and shock loads, and we have material that can go up to 250 degrees Celsius continuous temperature, and it can also be suitable for media resistance like any kind of chemical underwater application. And in most of the cases, we are offering a direct cost benefit against the metal bearing solutions, and that could be really interesting for you. Coming to the production technologies. So injection molding is our core production technologies that we are using, and for extrusioning like making granules, mixing, melting, everything is available in-house. So we are not reliance on any other third parties, and we can deliver you faster since all this is in our control. And some parts that is not available in the market, you can contact us, we can 3D print for you. And coming to our catalog page, so we have 52 material inside our catalog, and out of that 16 material we call it as the most preferred material, and you will get the maximum dimension 113 different dimensions from our catalog that can be ready to use, and you can just order us. So starting dimensions from 1 mm to 150 mm is available in our catalog, and you can anytime use the same for your requirements. In some cases, there could be the chances that you cannot go for the off-the-shelf part. Then definitely, if you have some specific requirement with some odd dimension or shape, you can just give us the drawing. We can mold for you, provided that you should bear the tool cost for that. And most of the applications that we are doing in the automotive are with the customized design only as per the customer requirement. So we have enough experience to make such a kind of customized part as per the customer requirement. Then these are the different production technologies. Infinite possibilities are there to cater you the faster possible. So injection molded parts. So 95% of the parts that we are supplying in the market are injection molded. Very few parts, maybe for some customized requirement, we can give our bar plates. I have shown in the previous slide, and you can machine as per your requirement, or even we can supply you the machine part also. In some cases for validation, you might be needing some 100-150 parts, but you want from tooling way only. So in that case, we can manufacture the 3D printed mold. Same mold can be loaded on the injection molding machine and can produce 100-150 parts for your initial validation. 3D printing is also another way, and aluminum tools to be a very faster. So absolutely this will help you to cut short the lead times and to provide the prototype samples faster possible. And for next slides and about the some case studies, I'm handing over to my colleague, Mr. Annappa Venkatesh. Annappa, over to you.
Yes, thanks, Sunil. Thanks for giving an insight about all the production process that we follow in IGUS, and also many USPs that what we can offer to our customers. And here I will take you further for different case studies to our competitor parts, like what is the main advantages that we have over all this different competitor parts. First one being PTFE coated metal rolled bearing. So this is a very common part that most of our customers would have come across. So the main technology of these parts are being Teflon small 30 to 40 microns of Teflon layer, whereas in the drawing you can see the green color marked part is the Teflon layer. On the backing material, it will be usually bronze or iron and followed by them. So the main difference here, what happens is once the Teflon coating is worn out after a few thousands of cycles, the coefficient of friction where it started will gradually increase when once the metal backing has started, and you will have completely damage on the shaft, scoring marks on the shaft because of the increased friction. But whereas with IGUS parts, you can see it is completely homogeneous, as Sunil explained in the production process of injection molding. So the solid lubricants are evenly distributed throughout the thickness. So the coefficient of friction from the beginning of the start of the application to the end of the application will remain constant. So you have the complete benefit of being a self-lubricative bearing with an advantage of no scoring marks on the shaft as well. And moving further, so the second case study what we have done is for with respect to bronze bearing. Here also you can see in the pictorial drawing that there is a complete disintegration of the shaft as well as the bearing itself. So here one of the oscillation tests what we have done at 2 kg per mm square load at 0.01 meter per second with CF53 hard chrome shaft. In the first column you can see in the wear pattern Igladur G, which is our material. You can see the wear pattern is almost uniform in both the cases, the blue one being the dry condition and the orange one being the greased condition. Whereas when you move to the last column, that is for the brass, you can see the blue one, the dry bearing, has almost 40 times higher wear compared to our Igladur G, where it is running in dry condition. So the main disadvantage of these kind of bearings is in certain cases where the maintenance is not done properly, the lubrication is gone or worn out. So the part can definitely the coefficient of friction will increase and it will definitely score the shafts and it can damage your and it will be the end of the application. So we say against Igladur bushes can work even without a drop of lubrication. So which is again one of the main USP that we can provide you here. And the third case study what we have done is with sintered bronze, that is powder metallurgy. Usually most of our customers know that these kind of sintered parts are much more used in high RPM application. But whereas when these kind of parts are used in oscillation application, you can see a test being performed at oscillation test of say 3 MPa, which is very less load, 0.3 kg per mm square at 0.18 meter per second with room temperature condition. The part has, you can see the complete disintegration of the part from the first figure to the last. So there is no amount of material that is left here. So I can give you some examples where these kind of sintered bronze are still being used in wiper applications, where in higher oscillations, whereas with IGUS parts we can completely save all this kind of shaft material damage or the part itself. So this is one another USP that we can offer over sintered bronze as well. Moving further, this is a special case that IGUS can offer to you as a conductive bearing. Mainly these kind of bearings are needed where, for example, in hinges for car doors, tailgate hinges, hood hinges, where the part has to go for e-coating, that is electrolyte dipping in the painting process. So the part has to be conductive. So iGUS can offer you these kind of special bearings as well. And here the case study has been done with a normal injection molded plastics or local plastics, where you can see the part has disintegrated or has deformed in the painting heating chamber. Whereas with our part in the second drawing, it is completely intact, no floating, and it is working absolutely fine. So this is one another special feature what iGUS can offer to you as well. Moving further, I would like to take you through the heart of our main factory. So this is the test lab, which is spread almost close to the size of football stadium, where 16,000 tests are being performed, and out of them 12,000 tests are being performed on Tribo tests are being performed on Igledur bearings, all kinds of tests like oscillation, rotary, linear, and in combination of linear and oscillation with different loads, temperature, different shaft material, all these kinds of tests are performed in millions of cycles to come up with the data, like what will be the wear of the parts at different parameters. So we can directly correlate this part to our expert, and this data will give you precisely what will be the wear of the part even before the start of application, which I would proudly say, which is one of the main USP that nobody could offer apart from iGUS. And yes, we can also do customized test for our customer. So this is just one another demonstration what we have shown. Like if the customer is willing to give their shaft materials and let us know like what is the load data, what is the temperature, what is the mating materials, we can reciprocate the test in our test lab, and we can give you the test result as well much before the start of your application. And moving further, yes, with the continuous evolution in that automotive industry, where it demands all stringent certificates, we are equipped with all latest certificates, DIN, EN, ISO certificates, IATF, and furthermore with all IMDS, REACH, VDA, fogging, burning rate. So all these latest certificates are available, and we are on par with the evolving automotive industry. And furthermore, I would like to take you through the optical control or optical sorting machine. So as Sandesh said in his earlier slide, out of all the 48 million parts, 480 million parts, that is 48 crore parts which are going to the automotive industry, are passing through this optical control. So any kind of deburring or molding defects are observed in this optical control machine will be directly kicked out, and the parts that are going to our customers are 100% defect free. So with this, I would like to moving further, I would like to hand it over to Mr. Vaibhav Thavre, who is handing over, who is looking after North Automotive Sales, and he will take you through all the automotive applications that we are doing in all different automotive segments. Over to you, Vaibhav.
Thanks, Anappa. Now I will take you to the possible applications in automotive industry, starting from the applications in car, starting from very easy application from mirror adjustment to the tough and complicated applications like shift forks inside gearboxes, suspension applications. We will see these applications in upcoming slides one by one in detail. Control pedals. Here we are doing this application with materials like Igledur J, Igledur J4, Igledur R. The main benefits are no lubrication, no noise, very low friction. We have special preload designs available in our product library. They are with preload at both the ends. We have collar type solution available. We have sleeve type solution available. Here the benefit by using preload elements is we can reduce the noise level and the play coming to the pedals. Applications in wiper systems with main benefit of no water absorption. Bearings can really take high loads without a drop of lubrication. We do these applications with Igledur H family materials, Igledur J family materials, Igledur P family materials. These family materials are having very less water absorption. As you can see in the image, the bushes in links and worm guides. Again, the bushes in blades are possible. Here we can get benefit of avoiding contact corrosion, as our bearings will avoid metal to metal contact. Again, linkages in different connections are possible. Customized linkages according to your requirements. Yes, they are possible by using our Egobal products. Then bushes in different wiper linkages. Here we are offering collar type bushings, thrust washers or sleeve type bushings. Applications in setting systems. As we know that the sitting system skeleton is majorly made by a sheet metal punching process. So here, as the holes are punched, we cannot expect here to have a bigger thickness housing available for press fitting of the bush. So we have special solutions from clip bearings. Again, the benefits are no noise, no rattle, very less cost, or we would say economical cost compared with the existing solutions, very easy assembly, and no second flange formation is required after using our bearings. We do these applications with economical cost material grades like Igledur M250, Igledur GLW. Some of the applications are height adjustment, then main pipe and link bushings, back rest pivot bush. In next slide, we will see further applications in sitting system like back rest pivot, like seat tumble application, document holder application, hand rest pivot, hand rest linear sliding, automatic seat height adjustment, motor guide and lead screw nut for actuating the same. That is also possible. Applications in transmission, inside gear shift levers for pivoting applications, we have Igledur bushings, plain bushings, and self-aligning bearings are also possible for these applications where misalignment compensation is required. Then in cable ends, we can do these applications with our special rod end bearings, 100% in polymer material, 100% corrosion free, rust free. Also ball and socket joint possible for this application. Further applications in transmission, gear shift tower bushes with Igledur H family. Here the benefit with Igledur H family is gear oil resistance, then resistance to higher temperatures like 150 degrees Celsius continuous temperature, combined motion possible like oscillation and linear motion together, very high wear resistance at such higher temperature with economical cost. Various linkages are possible for actuation inside transmission. Detent pin application also we can do in shift tower and rail application. Shifter fork bush and shifter pad application. In shifter fork bush for this linear plus oscillation motion, we can do this application with Igledur H family. We do supply Igledur H material along with tempering process to increase press out force. Moving on to further application of shift fork shifter pad bush. In shifter pad bush, in conventional way, normally people are using ultrasonic welding process or ultrasonic welding process or plastic overmolding process or molybdenum coating, which is having serious issues when we come across RoHS compliance. All our Igledur materials are RoHS compliant materials. You can see a special part looking like a capital H letter. It can be easily pressed. It can be easily pressed in the shifter fork end. One more case study of Igledur HLW material versus metal rolled bearing. This wear test we conducted for a special linear stroke of plus minus 20 mm at speed of 0.04 meter per second, load 1200 Newton, roughly 4.3 megapascal per bearing, and we tested it for 2 million cycles. When we convert it into linear travel, it is around 80 kilometers. We can see the wear results in the upcoming slide. As you can see in the image, Igledur HLW material is wearing almost half when we compare it with metal rolled bearing. In addition to that, metal rolled bearing has no PTFE remaining on the inner surface. Some portions you can see the metal is directly exposed, and this can damage the shaft. This can no more give no lubrication effect, and the bearing has to be changed. Whereas our Igledur HLW bearing is having same properties throughout the thickness, completely lubrication free, completely corrosion free throughout the thickness. Synchronizer strut application. The benefits are vibration dampening, long-term temperature resistance to 180 degrees Celsius continuous, resistant to transmission oil, and a significant cost benefit when we compare it with metal design. You can see a special part what we are offering for synchronizer strut application. Clutch release bush application with Igledur H4 material because of temperature resistance up to 180 degrees Celsius plus the resistant to dirt. Applications in hinges. We have Igledur materials, special Igledur materials who offer electrical conductivity which is required for e-coating process. with economical cost, with high load taking capacity, and with higher wear resistance. We offer Iglidur materials for hinge applications. Hinge application possibilities are rear boot hinge, then side or back door hinge, then spoiler hinge. You can see in the image a special design in Iglidur RN89 material, which is one of the electrical conductive material. Applications in steering column bush, lock stop liner bearing, steering yoke support bush, a bush in dust cap on firewall with benefit of low friction, high wear resistance for linear as well as rotational motion. Plus, by using special designs, we can reduce noise levels here in the application. Some applications in nearby to engine area, belt tensioner application, variable air intake valve application, throttle valve body bushes, exhaust gas recirculation bushes, linkages for actuation of valves. Higher temperature materials can be used here. Again, Iglidur H family. Headlamp beam adjustment application, a special part with spherical OD. It can be seen in the image. No noise, no lubrication, lightweight, and very high life and temperature resistance up to 120 degrees Celsius are the key points here. Applications in mirror adjustment. IGUS can provide thrust washer bearings against conventional ball type of bearings. Fit and forget type of solution with economical cost. Further applications inside actuators or motors. As we seen in the product line, we have special lead screw nuts available, nuts made up of Iglidur material. That's why no lubrication is required at all throughout the life, plus no corrosion, no rusting. Plus we can give bushes for motors as well as for gear guides. EGR exhaust gas recirculation application. We can do this application with Iglidur X bearing. Major benefits are resistant to dirt, especially soot, high temperature resistance, high wear performance at such higher temperature, and higher accuracy levels like 30 microns for inner diameter. Further applications in water pumps and fuel pumps. With Iglidur H family, we can do these applications. As this material is having resistance to chemicals like water glycol mixture, and when the hydrodynamic lubrication is coming in picture, these bearings can take really high RPMs like 5000 RPM, 6000 RPM, 8000 RPM. Such high RPMs are also possible with Iglidur bearings with cost saving compared with existing solutions like carbon bearings, carbon graphite bearings, ceramic bearings. Yes, it is possible. Application overview in two-wheeler industry. Brake lever application, suspension fork application, brakes application, throttle valves, stands, foot mechanisms, foot brake, gear shift lever, rear swing arms, rear shock absorber, suspension strut with height sensor. These are some applications in two-wheeler industries. Further applications in tractor industries. As you can see, this is a cabin type of model. Inside cabin, we have Drylin W curved rail application for monitor adjustment. Again, for same monitor adjustment, when oscillation motion is required, Iglidur PRT bearings, slew ring bearings can also be used here. In suspension, we have applications for also pivoting points. You can see them in orange color. Then in hydraulic lift arm, for hydraulic lift arm control linkages, these are the possible applications. Further applications in tractor interiors, all types of levers like auxiliary lever, hand accelerator, speed lever, range lever, differential lock lever, shuttle lever, forward reverse lever, IPTO lever, PCDC lever, all types of levers we can easily do with Iglidur bearings. The benefits are resistance to outside environment. They can openly used in outside environment. In these COVID-19 tough times, again, to continue our engagement with customers, we all are available to assist you via virtual support. Our entire team will be always available over phone, over emails, over virtual platforms for consultations at any point of time. If you have some requests like you need specialized product training or specialized application training or a basic product training, yes, we all are available and we can do it at any point of time. This presentation, you can share it with your colleagues. You can forward similar link. It will be available always for live streaming. We are going to add this link on YouTube as well. You can share your links with your friends, your colleagues. if you want to see it again or if you want to share it with somebody. Thank you so much for your attention. We are open for your questions.
Few points to add from my side. This link will be active for 2 weeks, so we will be coming back and checking here. So in case you pass this link to your colleagues, you can also tell them that they can post your questions here. Again, as a live event, our team will be checking this link on a daily basis and they will try to answer your questions as early as possible. And when you are coming here, please don't forget to put your phone number so that we can reach you fast. And one more additional offer from our side to the automotive team. We would like to offer directly the first 2 inquiries on our website for a 3D printed part. If you are developing something new for your application, we would be happy to offer the first 2 inquiries as a completely free part from iGUS site. So in case you have or your team is developing something new, please feel free to upload this data into the web. You can also place the order on the web and forward it to us, and we will get back to you and will give the first 2 orders completely free from iGUS India site.
Okay.
Thank you. So now getting over to questions. Me and I'm Santosh here, and I have also Nitin Prakash, my Igloo product manager here with us, and we would like to answer your questions. Okay, so far no questions. So once the live event starts, I hope we will have some questions and we can answer.
You could offer the virtual booth also, in case you would like to directly tell them that because of the situation and invite them to the booth, ask them to fix an appointment, things so that you'll know how that has to be done. And Sandesh bhai, one suggestion at the beginning when you're starting, no?
I stop this meeting.
Yeah, stop it. We can still talk, right?
We can still talk.